This video is a brief tutorial of some of the elements of your Sherman College group site. You will go out to the web to sherman.schoology.com and use the login information that was sent to you in an email. When you log in, you will already be enrolled in your group site. So you will see Sherman College Group 1 or whatever your designated group number will be. One of the first elements is updates. In updates, you'll be able to post different announcements or other kind of messages that you want to send to your entire student group. And you'll notice that you can type messages in here and using various different fonts and whatever elements you wish to use in that way. You can upload links here. You can record a message to your students or attach files and any other various messages that you want to send to your students. The next element of your site is discussions. Let's say you wish to pose a question to the group and engage your students in a discussion. This will be the section of the group site where you will wish to do that. When you select discussions, then you will see a bar that says Add Discussions. When you select Add Discussions, then you will see this particular box to create your discussion. You will add a title for your discussion, and in this particular box here, you can just pose your question. Just as before in updates, if you want to record something for your students, you can do that, or if you want to add a link, or if you want to add a particular file, you will add these elements here, and then select Create to create your discussion for your students. The next element of your group site is albums. And just simply, if you wish to create some sort of media albums for your students to be able to upload any sort of media, pictures, whatever you would like, when you click on albums, you will see up in the top right corner, Add Albums. And so this will allow you to go in and create folders and have some sort of media section for your students. The next section of your group site is members. And this particular section will just show you what members are in your group site. The members, the students of your group site will be loaded into the site for you. When you log into the site, all the members may not be there, but you will not need to worry about giving them an access code because the members will be added into the site for you. The next element of your group site is resources. This particular section of your group site will serve as a repository for information for your students. I referred to making sure that your site is not so cumbersome. These folders will allow you to be organized inside your group site. So go in and create folders for the various sorts of information that you're going to add for your students. One thing I want to mention about files, you'll have students who work in Windows-based computers. Some students may have Apple products. You will want to create a PDF when you want to upload files for students. A PDF is a centralized platform that you can open across platforms. So that'll be very important. You don't want to upload files that your students can't open. Another thing about links, this will allow you to add external links. And this will be very important if there are links outside the site that you want to use as resources for your students. One thing about video files, if you create a folder for videos for your students, you may want to keep the size of that under 3 minutes because this platform will not allow for large size videos. If you have larger videos or longer length videos, you'll want to create a YouTube site and use those links to tag inside here where students can link out to that YouTube site for your longer videos. The last element of your group site is Big Blue Button conferencing. You may be interested in scheduling a time for your students to come together as a group, and this element of the group site will allow you to do that. When you select Big Blue Button conferencing, it'll let you go through the steps of setting up a conference with a start and an end time for your students. I will send you an additional link for you to be able to go out to the Schoology Help Center to be able to get information on this particular element of your group site.